यस दिमाग।
मैम हमने सुनानी नहीं थी स्पीच?
बिल्कुल सुनानी बेटा, दिस इज द बिगिनिंग।
सुनानी नहीं थी?
यस बेटा, आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग द बिगिनिंग। वी विल हैव डिबेट एक्चुअली, बस ये बिगिनिंग में आपको सिखा दूं कैसे लिखते हैं। दिस इज द वन वे टू राइट द बिगिनिंग एंड दिस इज द सेकेंड वे। यू कैन अडॉप्ट एनी वे इन एग्जाम, ठीक है, फर्स्ट वे और सेकेंड वे। So people rush to cities from villages to seek medical help even in case of minor problem. Still we are saying, still we are asking question. Yeah, still we are raising question. This is the second way, everyone. People rush to cities from villages to seek medical help, even in case of minor problem. Still, we are raising question: if village life is better, isn't it weird? लोग छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए, मेडिकल हेल्प के लिए सिटीज आते हैं, स्टिल हम कह रहे हैं कि शायद विलेज लाइफ बेटर है। Isn't it strange thing? ठीक है, you can start by asking question like this. This is the first way. Simply add quotation, but don't add quotation like health is wealth, okay, work is worship. No, these are very easy one, ठीक है, ये फर्स्ट क्लास के बच्चे आजकल यूज करते हैं. You are not supposed to use this. Use a long quotation. This is the first way and this is the second way. Give one logic and then ask question. Okay, so these are the two ways to start the debate. Okay, I hope it is clear. Yes, Jasmine, ask your question, then Aditya also.
यस मैम। मैम फर्स्ट वे और सेकंड वे दोनों हमने कॉपी पे लिखने हैं?
बेटा नो नीड, रफ पे जरूर लिख के रख लो, but just keep in mind in exam you can start your debate like this, either by giving quotation or by asking question. ठीक है, तो लिख के रख लोगे तो आपको थोड़ा सा आइडिया हो जाएगा एग्जाम में. जस्ट रफ पेज और समवेयर वेयर यू जस्ट कीप योर नोट्स, वहां पे रख के लिख के रख लो. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट Aditya, please ask your question, then we'll have debate, actual debate. Okay, yes please Aditya.
यस मैम जो सेकंड कोटेशन लिखी मैम, उसमें लास्ट लाइन क्या लिखा है हमने? इजंट इट के बाद क्या लिखा है?
Isn't it weird? मतलब ये बहुत स्ट्रेंज चीज नहीं है कि अभी भी हम कह रहे हैं कि विलेज लाइफ बेटर है. ठीक है, वियर्ड स्ट्रेंज.
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आपने ट्रांक्विलिटी का क्या मीनिंग है?
ट्रैंक्विलिटी होता है पीस, पीसफुल एनवायरनमेंट.
ओके,
1 minute please. Then you will leave a line after this introduction and then you will write down a very warm welcome to honorable member of jury. ठीक है, respected teachers, आपको जो भी लग रहा है आपके सामने बैठे हुए लोग. Dear friends, today I, who's there in front of me, Devang. Today I, Devang, has got a golden opportunity, ठीक है, to speak against or for, जो भी आपने choose करना है accordingly. ठीक है, now let's have some arguments. Now your turn to speak, everyone. So 1 to 25 roll numbers. You will give 1 point and then 1 point will be given by others. Then in the last I'll declare winners, that 1 to 25 are winners or 26 to 49. Depends on your logics or your examples. Okay. चलो let's start. गौरिश, कार्तिक, दिवांग, जिनकी वीडियो ऑन है, 1 to 25. Jasween, okay. Karthik, give your first argument along with example, then next party will give their argument. Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am in favor of the city life.
I strongly
So
agree that city life is better than village life. Okay, give argument.
Yes. My first point is, as the city population increases, the business also increases. Whereas in village, there is a very little or I think no business.
Okay. What do you say, Team B, Savya?
Ma'am, I am also in favor of city life.
No, you are supposed to be in favor of village life only. In this,
Ma'am, actually, I am roll number
Ma'am,
27 and you have told that 26 to and another roll numbers are in the favor of city life.
27. Okay, I thought your roll number
yes,
is
sir.
23. I don't know why I had feeling that you are 23 roll number. And why you
No,
spoke
ma'am.
in favor of why you spoke in favor of city then?
मैम हमारा रोल नंबर जो है वो सिटी के फेवर में ही है.
Okay. 26 to 49 city and first wale village. Okay, fine. Gorish, please give 1 point in favor of village.
Yes, ma'am. I strongly in the favor of village life. In the villages, there is fresh air as compared to the cities. In the villages, in the village, fresh air relaxes our mind and brain. That makes our mind and brain more satisfied and relaxing.
Okay. So he has given his first argument that the peaceful atmosphere is there in villages. One can enjoy fresh air. There is no pollution. Okay? The atmosphere is up to the mark. Okay. So one argument, please, again. Now, Jasleen, what is your roll number?
I'm 25.
25. Okay. Mitarthi, please give one argument in favor of city life.
Ma'am, I want to say that villagers who lives in villages have a miserable life and they don't have anything to eat and drink water, and they don't have any basic needs with them.
Okay. In cities, people have better life. Basic facilities are there. Then you can give example of some basic facilities like education, hospitals are there. Okay. Sanitation, better sanitation is there. Okay. So first point, both the teams have given. Give please data or statistics just to prove your point. Okay. That will be more impressive. Okay. So Aditya, please give your point now, please. In favor of village life. Aditya.
Yes. Am I
Andrew,
audible?
yes, you're audible. Please speak up.
In village life, there's a clean environment and less noise, and there is greenery all around us.
Okay. I think that comes in the category of atmosphere. Okay. Not noisy.
And
Peaceful again. Okay. Any other point in favor of villages?
yes, ma'am, people love each other and always ready to help each other.
Exactly. So people live together. This is the best part of village life. That people live together. They spend time with each other on certain festivals. Okay, people actually like to share their feelings and emotions. Okay. Now next one.
And
Yes, Shweta. Yes, Aditya.
the cost of living in villages is less.
Okay, that will be the next point. Okay, I'll definitely write it down after listening to another team's point. Yes, Shweta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, children growing in villages do not have much education and most of the children are illiterated, whereas the children living in cities are very educated and very hi-fi and good.
Okay, they have better standard of living. They have better education. They even settle in abroad also. I think villages में भी यही हो रहा है. Okay. So education system is much better than villages. ठीक है, in cities. और इसका proof क्या है? The proof is that about 40 more than 40% villagers send their children to city. ठीक है, for their education. This is the best proof that city life is better than village life in terms of education. Okay. So please write down this point in city one. Okay. Now you will not compare actually. आप सारा city के बारे में लिखोगे. Those who are in favor of city. You are not supposed to write the comparison. Village के बारे में लिखोगे पर सारा negative लिखोगे. Okay. You are not supposed to write that though there is fresh air, though atmosphere is clean, but education is not good. No, इसके negative और उसके positive लिखोगे आप, ठीक है? Okay. So next one, like Aditya said, cost of living in villages, cost of living is less. One can enjoy basic things at very low cost. Cost of living is less than cities. Aditya, Sarang, your team, no. Who's in the first group? Akshara. Akshara, please unmute. Please speak something with us. No, you are not audible. Ipsa, what's your roll number?
Ma'am, my roll number is 21.
Ipsa, your team member has given me this point that cost of living is less. Can you elaborate this point by giving some examples or something? Cost of living is less in villages.
Cost of
How can you
living is
prove
less.
that?
Ma'am, cost of living is less in the villages as there are many open fields. People were engaged in agriculture activities, and like in cities, there are houses made of concrete, but in villages, there are fields, open areas.
Just having open fields, can you think that just makes the cost of living cheaper? Do you really think so? If we have open fields, then cost of living will be cheaper. How? Please explain. Prove your point.
Ma'am, ma'am, can you just give me 2 to 3 minutes?
I'm giving you 1 to 2 minutes. Think about it. Others, please. Team A, please. जो village के point of view में है. You people have told me that cost of living is cheaper, but you have to prove your point also. That how can you say this thing? So I'm unmuting team A students. They can just explain कि वो कैसे कह सकते हैं कि cost of living कम है. Jotin, what's your?
I think so. The cost of the things that are produced in villages are low because as compared to the city things, they are produced in big factories and industries, whereas in villages the things are produced in a natural way. That's why the wages are less in villages.
Okay, people of villages actually prefer to wear simple clothes, you can say, that are made up in just natural settings. Okay, and they don't prefer wearing branded clothes, but in city life there is trend to wear branded clothes, and there is much cost, okay, of branded things, or big companies actually make the things so expensive. Okay, so you can, okay, fine, Gorish, well done. Any other, please? Now I'm giving chance to
Yes,
the,
ma'am.
yes, Beta.
Ma'am, I have thought one point. Ma'am, in cities like people live on rent and the rent is very high, and in villages those who live on rent it is very low. They
Valid
can
point, yes. Yes, correct explanation of this point, cost of living. If you want to take a house on rent, okay, in village, then you have hardly you have to pay a few bucks, okay, but in cities, large amount of, okay, large amount is required to have a good home in a posh area, in good area, okay. Okay, so in this way, to prove each and every point, you have to give example. This was my point. Okay, very nice. So team B, Raghav, please give 1 point, and your team members will defend that point by giving examples and statistics. Yes, Raghav.
Ma'am, as there are proper lighting systems in the city as compared to the village life, for example,
Okay,
lights
according
are
to me, this
set up on the streets for people
according to me, this comes under
which travel at night.
Okay, according to me, this comes under beta this thing. I have already written facilities. Basic facilities में lightning आ जाती है, sanitation आ जाती है, sewage system आ जाता है. So I think it can come in basic facilities. When you will write this line that people in cities have basic facilities, then you can give example by saying that there is proper lighting system, okay, there in villages. Okay. Any other point, please? Team B. I'm unmuting Sarang. Karthik, Savya, they can give their point and you have to defend also.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is the world of internet. The world is engaged in the internet. So I think in the village there is the poor internet facilities. We are attending our online classes due to internet.
Okay. And those who are in favor of village life, do you really think that there is no internet in villages? Is it so?
Ma'am, I don't think so. This is the valid point because nowadays villages are also so much developed that children are also attending online classes. Our government is also doing some for them.
Okay. So, okay.
Ma'am, can I defend?
Yes, yes, please. I
may
have
I also-
unmuted so many
Yes, ma'am.
students. They can speak up one by one. You
Ma'am,
have
Ma'am,
to
may I
think
speak first?
the valid point because, ma'am, I think the children living in the villages do not have much knowledge about how to use a smartphone, and like our government tries, but they are not sincere that every children got smartphone and he or she knows to how to operate it. I think many of the children are not do not know how to operate any smartphone, and they are not well treated.
Okay, टी में तो कह रहे हैं कि बच्चों को फोन नहीं यूज करना आता villages में. Is it so? टी में वो
Ma'am, I also have
Ma'am,
a
can
one
I
point.
defend?
Yes, yes, sure. I have unmuted all the
Ma'am,
typing जो मेरे को visible है यहाँ पे. Yes, please. Go ahead.
ma'am, there are many apps through which we can learn about it.
We can learn about it, but do you agree with them कि सच्ची उनको यूज करना नहीं आता? Do you agree? टी में
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, they
ma'am.
learn.
you are
No,
saying
because
so many apps we can.
Ma'am, there
they
are
know how to
government
learn
schools
because
in
in
the
this
villages
COVID
and
era,
in
everyone
that
is
we can learn.
Okay, one by one. Just what are you
Ma'am,
saying?
Ma'am, government schools are built in there and the teachers are providing mobile phones and they are also telling them how to use it. And ma'am, in my relation, there is a teacher who is working in government school and she goes to houses where and gives mobile phones to the students. They are in online exams. They have went to their homes and provided them each and everything where they are living.
Ma'am,
तो जसवीन, do you really think कि हर village में ऐसे teachers होंगे जो अपने पैसों से सब फोन लेके देते हैं? Do you really think?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think जो teachers होते हैं, ma'am, they can't show everybody that in the village every children has smartphone and he knows how to attend any online class. They
Yes,
they
ma'am.
can give, but they can't show that every children in the village knows and gets a smartphone.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
ma'am,
it's the-
villagers and
Ma'am, it's
people
the-
living in villages have old thinking. They don't have toilets in the villages. They don't allow girl child to go to school, and they also do child marriages, which are against the government constitution.
Ma'am, I don't think so. These are
Yes,
some
ma'am.
of the points that
yes,
are
ma'am.
out
Now
now.
in
There
this
is
time there
Ma'am,
is
children
not
are
that
having
This
much
modern
smartphones.
era, there is nothing
discrimination
such
or
thing.
this type of
Nowadays,
things are
these
done in
things are not
villages.
there in the villages.
Ma'am, but still in villages there are
Only
not
valid
toilets
point.
and
But
Yes, ma'am.
many of
Okay, I have muted all. Now I have feeling that why the politicians sitting on TV, मुझे कभी उनकी आवाज कभी क्यों नहीं समझ आई. So these type of things actually occur there also. और ऐसे उनका भी जो मीडिया पर्सन होता है उनको ऐसे म्यूट कर देता है. Sorry for that. अब मैं one by one कर रही हूँ. मुझे किसी की बात नहीं समझ आ रही. मितार्थी said that they are against girl children. So Mitarthi, to be very honest, I have personally seen so many people in cities also. They are against the birth of even girls. ठीक है? That is, I think so, is not the valid point. ठीक है? Even more educated people I have seen in my life that they are against the girl child. ठीक है? Girl child होती है तो I don't think so वो इतना खुश होते हैं जितना वो boy के होने पे होते हैं. So not only village, whole India I think they are having this type of mentality. So we can't blame only villages for that. Okay, I don't think so that this is a valid point for villages. Even in cities also, same thing is happening. Okay, even I can tell you so many hospitals also that they people tell in advance that whether boy child will come or girl child will come. Okay, they are having even a test system also, जो कि ban है government की तरफ से, but सब कुछ हो रहा है. ठीक है? So this is not a valid point. This depends person to person. अब village में भी ऐसे लोग होंगे जो गर्ल चाइल्ड के होने पे भी बहुत खुशी मना रहे होंगे. ठीक है? That depends on your personal mentality. Okay. Vaibhav, what do you say? Vaibhav.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when I go to my village, so ma'am, there are my friends. So ma'am, they know how to use mobile phone and etc. about the technology. But ma'am, the point is there that 90% of villages of India are having internet facilities, but 10% of the villages are not having that facilities. So ma'am, in that 10% areas, so ma'am, the student cannot attend their online classes and etc. through the net. But ma'am, they know how to use technology and phones about it, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay. So there are still 20% villages where there is no access of internet, even electricity also. There are so many villages. So in that case, okay, your point is accepted. Okay. So team Sarang, chalo. Sarang is eagerly waiting. Yes, Sarang.
Ma'am, I am in the favor of cities. Ma'am, in villages, every after 1 or 2 hours, electricity goes, and ma'am, they have not so hi-fi shops. Ma'am, in cities, we are having so much malls and hi-fi shops.
Okay, we can get branded things. We can get more comfortable things. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you say, Karthik?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I totally agree with Sarang, because in villages, electricity gone after 1 and 2 hours, and there is no corporation workers that, ma'am, that solve that problem of electricity, and villagers have to wait for 1 or 2 days for their lights.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a point. I'm in the favor of villages. Fresh fruits and vegetables. In cities, there are supermarkets and local market to buy things, but still people have to wake up early to get fresh vegetables, and they go to market early. But this is not in villages life, where we grow our crops ourselves, we care of them, and we can control the fertilization and pesticides to make sure that the vegetables are fresh and green.
Okay, agreed. I think very nice point, valid point. Okay. So we can have pure things, okay, according to our needs. So, okay, this is valid point. Is there anyone who can think that or who can challenge this point? Yes, please. Team B, challenge this point. Do you really think that this is not a valid?
Yes, ma'am. I think I can challenge this point, because, ma'am, nowadays farmers have also come to cities and grow their fresh crops here, and people of city are also able to get fresh crops.
There is no area beta in cities to have much crops. There is much population, but as compared to population, fields are few. Okay, but in villages we have plenty of area and we can grow according to our own wish. We can have extra plot, okay, for ourselves, and we can avoid the use of pesticides. Don't you think?
Ma'am, I think, ma'am, in cities people can also build some farms, and if they want to, ma'am, as there are very big companies who make like crops and they sell medicines from by manufacturing. Ma'am, I think people can make greenhouses in which they can grow crops and do these things if they want to.
There are some methods. We can do terrace farming. ठीक है, टेरेस पे हम अपने बना सकते हैं, छोटा सा किचन गार्डनिंग कर सकते हैं. ओके, तो यस बेटा, इन दिस वे आई जस्ट वांटेड कि आप अपने पॉइंट से पीछे ना हटो. ठीक है, इफ योर टीचर इज सेइंग कि नहीं नहीं मुझे नहीं लगता, बट यू हैव टू स्टिल डिपेंड योर पॉइंट. सो दैट आई वांटेड द मोस्ट. सो वेंडन कार्तिक. यस Garish.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the automobiles in the cities like cars, scooters, they are creating a lot of pollution in cities. But ma'am, in villages, most of the people are traveling on foot because cities are not much bigger than the cities. That's why villages are more clear than the cities in the case of pollution.
Exactly. I agree. What do you say? Second team. Yes, Vaibhav, what do you say? How will you defend this point?
On ma'am,
Do you agree that there is much pollution in villages, Vaibhav?
Yes, ma'am. In villages, ma'am, there is not much pollution. But ma'am, I have a point on cities in favor of city, ma'am. That the cities are having hospitals and other facility, but ma'am, if we see in the village, ma'am, so ma'am, nowadays also, ma'am, some villages are, ma'am, very far through the hospitals, like ma'am,
ओके
10
आप
to
कह रहे हैं
15,
कि
15
ओके आई एम गोइंग टू डिफेंड द पॉइंट, ठीक है, फिर क्या हुआ, पोल्यूशन है हमारे पास, हॉस्पिटल्स तो है, स्कूल्स तो है, पार्क्स तो है बड़े बड़े, फिर क्या हो गया, एक आधी चीज वी कैन जस्ट इग्नोर. ओके, so though there is pollution but we can still we are on the upper side because we are having hospitals and all the things. Parth, what do you say? Parth.
Ma'am, according to me, I think the people from villages are now adopting city life as they have to make money, and there is more value for work in the cities as compared to village.
Okay, job opportunities are there. Okay, agree. Job opportunities are there. Can you define your points, Akshara, Gaurish? तो कह रहे हैं कि
Ma'am, I'm just thinking for a valid point that can lead us to win.
Can you defend this point? They're saying that there are better job opportunities in cities.
Ma'am, that's true. There are better job opportunities in cities. That is true, ma'am. But villages, ma'am, villages are having, I can say that not good schools, but the thinking of the students of the villages are as much good as in the cities.
Okay.
Ma'am, I can say that much.
A member has accepted that there are no job offers, and he has also accepted that there are no good schools also. Okay, but you are not supposed to accept this thing in debate. ठीक है, नहीं तो आप हार जाओगे डिबेट में. You are not supposed to accept कि हाँ हमारे negative points. Always talk about the positive points. ठीक है, आप कह सकते तो क्या हुआ? We people have this thing. ठीक है, you are not supposed to accept. So for me, just for these 2 points, okay, that team A member has accepted his defeat himself. So for me, team B is the winner, who are in the favor of city life, just because they have already accepted कि हाँ चलो नहीं है job opportunities, नहीं है school. No, you are not supposed to say this thing in debate. अब आपने debate लिखनी भी है तो इस हिसाब से लिखना that you are not supposed to write any negative point about city if you are in favor of city. अच्छी अच्छी बातें इसकी लिखो और बुरी बातें विलेज की लिखो. ठीक है, इज इट क्लियर ऑल? सो नेक्स्ट टाइम, ओके, Saksham Samar, बिफोर एंडिंग प्लीज बेटा, व्हाट डू यू थिंक? यस
Yes, ma'am. I want to, ma'am, I am in favor of cities life, and I want to defend pollution point of Gaurish. Ma'am, although there are a lot of pollution in city, but we have many ways to reduce the pollution. The technology now has gone as much far as we have CNG kits in our vehicles, and with pollution, inks of our pens are also made.
Okay, exactly. Yes, there is pollution, but city people know how to curb pollution by using CNG gas and by using latest technology. Okay, nice. So now we will have another topic, ठीक है, next week, and we will have discussion, and I'll give you 1 day to prepare to just gather the facts. ठीक है, कितने % लोग ये बोलते हैं, कितने %, you have to add that thing also. So please write debate in your notebook by using these arguments. Okay, now I'm just leaving the meeting. I have to just attend the next class also. So bye, take care of yourself. Bye beta.